Let's be real, nobody likes tearing apart a wall or digging through a dark pipe without knowing exactly what's going on in there. That's why getting the right endoscope camera is a total game changer for DIYers and pros alike. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best borescopes on the market so you can stop guessing and start seeing with crystal clarity. Whether you need a budget-friendly model for your phone or a rugged standalone unit for tough job sites, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the options that will make your next inspection smart, easy, and honestly, kind of fun. First up is the Kinpthy Endoscope Camera. This is the affordable option that connects right to your phone. It packs a sharp 1920p HD resolution, so you get super clear snapshots and video of those tight spots. The semi-rigid 16.4-foot cable bends easily but stays put, and the probe is IP67 waterproof up to 3 feet deep. You just download the app, plug it into your iOS or Android device, and you're ready to roll. Keep in mind, some Android models might show a tiny bit of blur, but overall the image is fantastic for the price. It comes with handy accessories like a hook and magnet too. If you're a homeowner or hobbyist who already uses your phone for everything, this one is for you. Check the link below to grab this little tool. Next, the MugEasy endoscope camera is perfect if you don't want to tie up your phone. This model has its own bright 4.3-inch IPS screen, so what you see is instantly right there on the handle. The 1080p HD camera with 8 adjustable LEDs makes dark pipes look like daylight. I really like the super short lens design, which makes it way easier to turn tight corners in your engine or sewer line. It's also IP67 waterproof, and the battery lasts long enough for most jobs. Just turn it on and go. No Wi-Fi or apps needed. Now, it doesn't save photos or videos, so keep that in mind if you need documentation, but for pure inspection ease, it's fantastic. This is a durable choice for anyone who wants a simple, standalone tool. Click the link to see it for yourself. Now for something really special, the Teslong two-way articulating borescope. Let's be honest, standard scopes are great until you need to look around a corner. This one has a joystick-controlled probe that actually bends up to 210 degrees. Yes, you can steer the camera head. The 4.5-inch IPS screen is crisp, and the 5-foot flexible gooseneck cable holds its shape perfectly. It records video and takes photos onto an included 32-gig card, plus the battery lasts about 5 hours. This is the tool for mechanics and inspectors who need to see inside cylinder walls or behind complex machinery. It's a bit more of an investment, but worth every penny for the control you get. This is our top pick for professional-grade maneuverability. You'll find the link right down in the description. Moving on, the Depstec DS300 dual lens endoscope is all about efficiency. It has 2 cameras built right into the tip, so you can switch from front to side view instantly without adding a mirror. The 4.3-inch IPS screen shows you everything in crisp 1080p, and the split screen mode is incredibly handy for comparing angles. With 16.5 feet of semi-rigid cable and a 180-degree image rotation button, this thing is a beast for plumbing, HVAC, or automotive work. It's waterproof, has 7 adjustable LEDs, and runs for about 4 hours per charge. Just remember, it doesn't come with a memory card. This one is ideal for serious DIYers or techs who want dual views without any hassle. Go ahead and check the current price using the link below. Finally, the Depstec NTC55 is for the detail-obsessed user. This is the first 2K endoscope on the market, delivering a stunning 2540 by 1440p resolution. That's 80% sharper than standard HD. You plug it into your phone or tablet via USB-C or Lightning, open the free app, and see every tiny scratch or crack like never before. It still has dual lenses and a slim 7.9mm probe, plus 8 adjustable LEDs to light up dark spaces. The 16.5-foot cable is tough but flexible. Just make sure your Android phone supports OTG before buying. If you absolutely need the highest clarity possible for detailed inspections, this one is a game changer. It's a smart buy for professionals who don't want to miss a single detail. Snag yours through the link below. So after really looking at all these, which one should you buy? For most people, especially if you love using your phone for everything, the Depstec NTC55 with 2K clarity is the best overall choice. The image quality is simply unmatched at this price point. But if you want a standalone screen and incredible maneuverability, the Teslong articulating model is the professional's best friend. Every single borescope on this list is durable, reliable, and will save you tons of time and frustration. Check the links in the description for the best deals today. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and go tackle that project with confidence.